So we're back out here at SEMA. We're here early, try to beat the crowds, see what we can see. And first thing I'm walking up on here is the Stradman's Gladiator and his Aventador. Got those right here. Pretty cool. Here we've got the all-electric Mustang. Forged line wheels. It says lithium on the calipers. Lithium up front. It's this crazy hood with these clear inserts. Actually plugs in right there where you normally put gas in it. As you can see, it says lithium on the calipers even. It's pretty crazy. Of course, there's not going to be exhaust on this car. And we've got Stradman's wide body Supra. If you guys have seen any of those videos. Just finished it. Here we've got a display of all Hot Wheels cars. They're all based off of Hot Wheels, and they made the real cars. Pretty cool. Check this thing out. That's pretty wild. Here we've got the new Shelbys. Brakes on that thing. Some more GT500s. This is the one Joey Logano was driving yesterday that they were working on. You can see they shredded some tires with it. They're just about to let everybody else in. SEMA show has been awesome this year, but we're heading out. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.